Hello students, after seeing my previous videos, hope you must have understood very well degrees of comparison and interchange of degrees of comparison between positive and comparative degree sentences based on affirmative and negative sentences. All your doubts must have got cleared by now. Today, I will explain you how to change positive degree to comparative degree and superlative degree by using two structures, no other and very few. So, I'll start with change from positive to comparative degree. Now, in this, you see positive degree sentence, no other city is as beautiful as Jaipur. Now, here the pattern is no other plus singular noun which is city plus is which is singular verb plus so or as plus positive degree adjective which is beautiful, then as plus noun which is Jaipur. Now this positive sentence can also have this no other city in Rajasthan is so or as beautiful as Jaipur. So here I have used the word in Rajasthan. So the pattern is no other plus singular noun which is city here plus of or in. So here I have used in. Other words, it is Rajasthan plus singular verb which is so or as plus positive degree adjective which is beautiful plus as plus noun pronoun. Now here there are two subjects here, city which is S1 and Jaipur which is S2. Now these two nouns will get interchanged when we'll change the form of the sentence. So here the comparative degree sentence would be Jaipur is more beautiful than any other city in Rajasthan. So Jaipur has come in the beginning is more beautiful. So here we have introduced comparative degree adjective more beautiful and then we have introduced than because we are comparing Jaipur with other cities. Than any other city. Now we have used any other city. So here it would be singular noun in Rajasthan. Now the same sentence can be written in comparative in other way. Jaipur is more beautiful than all other cities in Rajasthan. So here all other cities when we have written, so cities will become plural noun. I have written PN, plural noun. So your sentence, the meaning has not changed, it has remained the same. Only we have written in other way. Jaipur is more beautiful than all other cities in Rajasthan. I'll give you another example. Positive degree sentence is no other city in India is so good as Mumbai or as good as Mumbai. So comparative degree sentence would be Mumbai is better than any other city in India. So better is the comparative degree adjective we have used here. Good was the positive degree adjective. And then we have dropped so or as in the positive degree. To make it comparative, we have used than. So Mumbai is better than any other city in India, or same comparative degree sentence can be written in this way also. Mumbai is better than all other cities in India. Difference is in any other city we have used singular noun city, and in all other cities now the same city noun has become plural. So it is cities. Now we will do change from positive degree to superlative degree. Now here the positive degree I have taken the same example. Positive degree sentence is no other city in Rajasthan is so beautiful as Jaipur or as beautiful as Jaipur. Singular noun city and beautiful as a positive degree adjective. So here it will get transformed to superlative degree. Jaipur is the most beautiful city in Rajasthan and its pattern is subject plus, subject is Jaipur, plus singular verb which is plus the. So to make it superlative, we have introduced the. is the most beautiful. And then ST means superlative degree adjective, which is most beautiful, plus singular noun, which is city, in plus noun or pronoun. Here it is Rajasthan as the noun. So you have understood a sentence was no other city in Rajasthan is as beautiful as Jaipur, and superlative degree we transform by using the word the and changing the positive degree adjective to superlative degree adjective, which is most beautiful. So Jaipur is the most beautiful city in Rajasthan. I'll explain you with more examples. Positive degree sentence is no other city in India is so or as good as Mumbai. Here good is a positive degree adjective. Now when we make it to superlative, it will become Mumbai is the best city in India. So the best, the is the word we have used for superlative degree, and best is the superlative degree adjective, and city will remain as singular noun in India. Second example, no other girl in the class is as beautiful as Riya. So superlative degree would be Riya is the most beautiful girl in the class. So hope you have understood. So I have used examples based on 3 degrees of comparison with no other structure. So positive degree is no other king of India was so or as great as Ashoka. So comparative degree will be Ashoka was greater than any other king of India, or Ashoka was greater than all other kings of India. So with any other we have used the word singular noun king, and with all other we have used the singular plural noun kings. And superlative degree would be Ashoka was the greatest king. Remember students, if any of the sentence has been given to you, like Ashoka was the greatest king, it is a superlative degree sentence. So you will frame comparative and positive degree sentence as your answers, and then you will write against the sentence also which degree it is. So here you have, I'll give you more examples. No other metal is as precious as gold. So comparative degree sentence would be gold is more precious than any other metal, or gold is more precious than all other metals. So all other metals plural noun, and above any other metal singular noun, that you have to just take note of. And superlative degree would be gold is the most precious metal. So you have seen that in comparative degree there are 2 ways of writing. You will write any other. When you use any other, then your noun would be singular, like here it is metal. And if you use all other metals, then here metals become plural noun. So thank you students.